All right, I got the outside backfilled up against my batter board on the inside. That way my concrete won't push it out. Got some guys up here touching a few things up on the building, so they're using a tractor, so I didn't get to finish this down here on the end. But I've got it close, and hopefully we can get that water coming this way, but I got to touch that up. But I'm dragging this old rough stuff down, and then I'm going to transfer some of that topsoil down here on this bank, try to get this swell built before we can get that water to go this way and that way. Hope I'll probably split it here in about the middle of the building. But anyway, we're getting there, but I'll bring you in here in a minute and show you what I got going on inside. But we got concrete coming tomorrow. Well, I'll tell you, this building is gonna make an old man out of me having to pull these late nights. I ain't hardly used to that anymore. But I got everything ready. We got concrete coming tomorrow. They're supposed to be here at 7:30. So I got my steel laid down. Still like tying some of it together. I run out of ties, but those guys will tie it for me. But I'll tell you what I put around the outside edge. I put it's called Astro Foam. It's a seal sealer, but this is the thought pattern behind it. Is concrete moves, and so I've got a lot of corners. I got post here, post there. It's just a lot of places there for it to crack. So what I'm thinking is, this is going to give it a little bit of movement. It might it may be a small expansion joint. You'll get a little insulation value from it. So I run it all the way around the perimeter. So hopefully it might help me with cracking maybe a little bit and let the concrete move a little bit. But I got my box built over there around my shower drain. I got their batter boards in at the doors. I didn't attach that one there at the garage door. I just put it there where I want it. And they'll pull that out when they're coming in and out of the concrete. I went ahead and plumbed in a floor box here. That'll be power to run my table saw. And then I got everything backfilled on the outside so concrete don't push me out there. So they're supposed to be here at 7:30 in the morning. I'm not going to be able to come up here in the morning. I got stuff going on. So I'm going to go over here and put you up above the door and set a time lapse up. I'll just have to let it run all night so you can stay up here and babysit it, and hopefully they'll be here at 7:30 in the morning. And we'll get this thing poured. But I'm about tired of crawling around in this dirt rock floor in here, so hopefully we can roll around on some concrete tomorrow. But I'll catch you tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Hopefully we got some concrete. Well, folks, we got some concrete. They come up yesterday morning and poured it, and then they went ahead and sawed it and got the sealer put down on it. So we won't be crawling around in the dirt in here anymore. So I'm glad to have this done. Next up will be spray foam insulation. I met with him up here a little while ago, and everybody, like everybody, they're all backed up. So hopefully he can move me up on the schedule. And right now he told me it'd be a month before he could get to me. So hopefully that's not the case, but we'll have to go up here and over our eaves, we'll have to button those voids up so they can spray straight up the wall, and then they'll carry it and continue it on up the roof deck. So anyway, we'll be back with you in a day or two with something else to do. So if you watched, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you later.